NASA's Webb, Hubble combined to create most colorful view of universe. The Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope at NASA have joined forces to investigate the massive galaxy cluster MAX 0416. One of the most all-encompassing views of the cosmos ever captured, the resulting panchromatic image is a combination of visible and infrared light. MAX 0416 is a pair of colliding galaxy clusters that are roughly 4.3 billion light-years away from Earth and will eventually merge into a larger cluster. Only by combining the capabilities of both space telescopes was such a detailed image captured. There are numerous galaxies outside of the cluster and some sources that change over time, most likely as a result of gravitational lensing, which distorts and amplifies light from extremely faraway background sources. Inaugurated in 2014, the ambitious, collaborative Hubble effort named the Frontier Fields provided the first of a series of unparalleled, super-deep images of the universe. Hubble pioneered the search for some of the intrinsically weakest and youngest galaxies yet identified. The infrared vision of the James Webb Space Telescope substantially enhances this deep study by penetrating even further into the early universe. Jex Windhorst remarked,